Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're here in Hastings and we're here to experience the West Hill lift. Now this is a funicular railway and it's been here for some amount of years. You'd be surprised the history these lifts have and the stories that they have to tell. So join me as we experience the West Hill lift here in Hastings. Let's go.
Perfect. Yeah. Oh, fantastic. Cool. I'm just trying Perfect. Okay, we'll get super.
There we go, that's all it is.
Thank you.
Okay.
So we're in one of the funicular carriages, guys, on the West Hill Cliff, and we're about to go up. So yeah guys, welcome to the West Hill Cliff Railway here in Hastings, overlooking Rockall Road, overlooking Hastings Harbour where the fisheries, you would find them normally. So the length for the actual West Hill Cliff is 500 feet, 150 metres long, and the height difference is 170 feet from sea level. Now the gradients is 33% and they have 2 cars currently. Now the railway was opened in 1891 and it still does retain the old wooden cars that they used to do when the original railway was opened up originally, and it's very unique in the sense of it actually goes through a tunnel here. So the tunnel was actually built in the West Hill Cliffs and it does go through, so it's very unique in terms of any sort of funicular railway in the world. Going through a tunnel like that, very unique. And just getting up here, so it's £5.50 for a return for an adult, and the cars can hold up to 16 passengers. And I personally think the £5.50 is worth every single penny in terms of that. I mean, look at the stunning views as soon as you get up here that you are offered. You're completely overlooking the whole shoreline of Hastings. It's completely worth it. And also, if you want to, you can access the ruins of Hastings Castle, which is up here, or you can just venture down that way 2 minutes down the road and you are at Smuggler's Adventure, which is well worth a vlog in its own right, which I probably will do later down the line. But yeah, Smuggler's Adventures is well worth. So that's all the cave systems that they used to use back in the day, all the smugglers. Everyone knows Hastings for the smuggling trade. That's very well worth a visit. Great tourist attraction. Or Hastings Castle, or just come up here and sample a nice cup of coffee or a cup of tea and a slice of cake in the cafe that they just have around the corner, and you can just take in these stunning views. But I don't know of any other railway personally, to my knowledge, and I've visited a few in the world, that offers views like this. Absolutely breathtaking. So that's been my trip here to the West Hill Cliff, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed that. Like I said, an amazing little funicular railway. I'd really applaud you to come down here and check it out if you can. At some point I will check out the East Hill Cliff Railway when I come down here, but at the moment that is not operational. It was under repairs and there's no future date in terms of when that's going to reopen, but I will be down here to get on that at some point. We will cover that in the future. But yeah, like I said, you've got two funicular railways here. You've got the miniature railway that runs along the seafront here, and you've also got the miniature railway in Alexandra Place, which I will be checking out at some point in that country park. But yeah, really well worth coming here. Like I said, it's been here since 1891, well over 100 years old, historic line. Check it out. That's been another episode, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.